What's good, Gadget Squad? The last time I had these inserts was when I swapped them out to customize my Zippos. Today, we're gonna make hybrids. We're gonna waterproof some and case the rest to create a hybrid line of Zippos. I'll link them all in the description so you can review the ones you like. Let's get started. Starting with the orange cover, this case has a waterproof rating of 5.6. It has a latch for locking enclosure and feels rugged enough to protect it from drops. Moving on, we have the Supris waterproof arc lighter. This case comes in both camouflage and black, so you have options. It also comes with a latch with a push button feature. We're eventually gonna swap out the arc lighter insert for the Zippo one. Adding to its outdoor usefulness, this lanyard comes with a whistle if you haven't noticed. This box also brings a thank you card and a warranty. This case has a waterproof rating of IP7, meaning it can be submerged under a meter of water for 30 minutes without water intrusion. I want to emphasize the elite enclosure on this case. I fueled this case 3 months ago and I could still generate a flame from that same fuel 3 months ago. This one here claims to be waterproof, but it does not offer an IP rating. It does have this gasket seal for waterproofing, so that's a good sign. I do like that it offers a clip, adding versatility to the way you carry. Up next, we have Therm's PyroVault 2.0 lighter armor. This one features a full-size lanyard hole, a full gasket seal to keep fuel in and water out. Hidden inside, you'll find a Tinder Quick fire starter, which you can depend on to start a fire in any situation. It can burn for up to that starter was about to end my career. But yeah, as I was saying, it can burn for up to 3 minutes, even when wet. If you're looking to make a hybrid Zippo but don't want to waterproof it, let's look at these alternatives here. Here we have the Blackwood case. This one doesn't look like the online buying option. The one online looks much darker. Anyway, these are hand carved and come carved with various art styles. I chose the one titled Cow and Taoist Diagram, which seems to have a bull along with a yin-yang symbol. These are also made with ebony wood, which is one of the strongest woods known. This next one is for my cryptocurrency investors and miners. Over here we have the Bitcoin Gold lighter. It comes in this aluminum box. And what I like is that everything from the wrapping down to the lighter itself is stamped with the Bitcoin symbol. This next lighter from Sandpiper is titled Moon Landing. This line of lighters has various art styles which you can browse through. You just go ahead and browse through it and pick the ones that you prefer. As you can see, it comes with a double torch insert, and it made the list for being able to house a Zippo insert. I've went ahead and fueled these hybrid Zippos, but before we see any flame, I gotta test the waterproofing claims. You know me. So what we're gonna do here is drop off our waterproof Zippos in this glass of water, and I'm looking for two things: water intrusion, and if the flame could start after we leave it inside for 30 minutes. So we're gonna see. Alright, our 30 minutes are up. Let's pull it out of the water. So I'm drying the water on the exterior of these cases so we can focus on the water that possibly bypassed and got in. Alright, now moment of truth. It looks like some water droplets did get inside, but let's see if that really affected functionality. And it looks like it didn't at all. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and stay safe. Peace.